We've been playing around with some flavour profiles through an AI through AgResearch and putting together a couple of dishes based on what has come out of the AI program.
What we did was collected a huge number of recipes and the ingredients that go into creating those recipes. We looked at the sensory inputs that we perceive from those ingredients, and then tried and looked at the synergies that exist at the molecular level.
This project is fundamentally looking at New Zealand products and New Zealand cuisine. It gave us the opportunity to use the science and understand what worked really well with each other.
We did this 2 times. The first time we kind of went along a route which we kind of thought worked. So it's 6 flavours that we thought went together: beef, orange, ginger, potatoes. We're like, oh yeah, they all work, they make sense. And then the second time we went the opposite direction and chose 6 ingredients that we thought wouldn't work at all. We got boiled chicken, camembert, passion fruit, cocoa. And we're like, okay, how's this going to come together?
The second dish which we went into, where we just really looked at it and went, let's go to town with the most crazy things we could actually put together. And that started scaring us a little bit. We then came to a dish that we, in our opinion, believed that actually worked.
I love that it's a bit challenging in terms of ingredients. I'm quite excited by that. I think it's good.
If the intent is for AI to embellish or enhance an existing industry, massive.
Looking at how these products work together is definitely a beginning of a new cuisine, in my opinion. I'm excited going forward on developing this AI further.
So when we were cooking the steak, we were collecting molecules that are given off very easily, and then we were feeding that into what is known as a mass spectrometer. So the mass spectrometer looks at those molecules, gives us the signature of their masses, which can then be identified from a database. It is how we create that synergy between what we are getting from computers and our way of thinking, that we can create something really nice and wonderful.